6 News is back to give you the legal edge. With the price of eggs soaring in recent months, many people might be thinking about getting their own backyard chicken flock. I know I have, but what are the laws around that? Well, we spoke with local attorney Brian Waldman to find out.
There are no state laws that address keeping chickens in residential neighborhoods. So essentially, it's left to cities and townships to pass their own laws. And generally, cities and townships allow it. To my knowledge, the only cities that don't are down in Metro Detroit. All the cities I'm aware of in mid-Michigan, townships in mid-Michigan allow it, but they have certain restrictions, and the restrictions are generally the same with a little bit of variance. Some cities require you to apply for a permit before you get the chickens. For example, they require that in Jackson and East Lansing. There's usually a fee associated with it. And once you get the permit's good for about 3 to 5 years. And then every city has a requirement that limits the number of hens you can have. Jackson's 3 hens, East Lansing has a limit of 4, Lansing has a limit of 5, and that's generally the range in most cities, 3 to 5. All the cities I'm aware of prohibit any roosters. They prohibit the slaughter of hens, but you obviously can use the hens to produce eggs. And then the last thing you have to look at is your coops. The coops have to be generally in the backyard. There's usually a certain distance that they need to be from the property line. And in addition to local ordinances, people also need to make sure that their neighborhood associations don't have any bylaws that prohibit backyard chickens, and the condo association, if you're at a condominium, that your condo association doesn't have any bylaws that prohibit it.